MarketStrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a brief look at the markets for today, Monday, November 2nd. We'll start with a look at the economic calendar, and coming up this week we have two major events, but for today it starts at 8:45 GMT when we have a series of PMI data coming out from the major economies of Europe, and then at 9 o'clock PMI we have 9 o'clock GMT, we have PMI for the entire Eurozone. Then we have PMI for the United Kingdom at 9:30. And then the final major event of the day is probably going to be at 3 o'clock when we have ISM manufacturing data from the United States. We also might want to keep an eye on the at 1:30 GMT when we have Bernanke giving a commencement speech. However, it's unlikely that he's going to say anything that will be market changing at that time. Moving over to the markets, on Friday, there was Black Friday. We had the U.S. shares opened up and moved higher. However, by the end of the session, the shares in S&P 500, Dow Jones, and the Nasdaq declined. This was following disappointing news from Black Friday sales. Trading was somewhat muted considering it was a long holiday weekend, and then going into the Asian session early today, we had mixed results throughout Asia, and S&P 500 futures are trading up by just under 0.1% at the beginning of the European session. So we could be looking. Oh, and the other thing is that after the long weekend, we'll have investors are coming back into the market today, so we could have some stronger moves than usual today. Moving over to the euro. The euro is currently trading just near the 136 level. It sort of struggled around there for the last couple of days. We still have support at 135.50, and then we have our next resistance at 136.50. However, we have some data from Europe that might move this pair. The pound on Friday moved significantly higher and broke through resistance at 163.80. Sorry, at 163.80. That was a resistance. Now it's turned into support. We have our next resistance at 164.50, and we also have some data coming out from the United Kingdom today, which could move this pair. The Japanese yen also has encountered some important resistance here at the 102.30 level. It's traded just above that. This is a long-term high from May previously, and RSI is still showing that this pair is significantly overbought, so we're still looking at a correction sometime in the near short term. If it were to go through a correction, we would expect to come back down to 101.30. But if it were to continue its momentum, we'd see it going up to the top of the year high at 103.35. Gold went up on Friday. However, it's basically bouncing off of an important support level that we have here at 1,240. RSI is also showing that it's no longer significantly oversold. However, the gold is intimately tied with dollar performance, and how the dollar is going to what the dollar will be doing over the rest of the week will probably depend on expectations for the non-farm payrolls, which are scheduled to be released on Friday. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching, and happy trading.